In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion Calendar for beginners. By the end, you'll have a clean, unified view of your schedule and know exactly how to add, move, and manage events with confidence. First, download or open the Notion Calendar app. It's available for both desktop and mobile, so choose whatever you'll actually use day to day. Once it's installed, open it up. The interface is simple, and you can switch between devices later without losing anything. Next, sign in with your Notion account. Use the same account you rely on for your workspace so everything stays in sync. After you log in, the app may prompt you for a few permissions. Approve what's needed so it can display your calendars correctly. Now, connect your calendar accounts, like Google or Apple, so those events appear in Notion Calendar. You'll be asked to grant access. This is what allows your meetings, appointments, and personal plans to show up. If you have multiple calendars, you can choose which ones to include. Pick the ones you actually need, so you don't clutter your view. Then link your Notion workspace. This is a powerful step because it lets Notion Calendar pull date-based items from databases you already use in Notion, things like tasks with due dates or project timelines. When you connect the workspace, Notion Calendar recognizes date properties and brings those items onto your calendar. Keep an eye on which databases are connected, so only the relevant ones appear. Once you're set up, you'll see events from your connected calendars in a single place, giving you one view for both work and personal. This unified view helps you spot conflicts and gaps at a glance, and it keeps you from bouncing between apps. If you need to reschedule, just drag an event to a new time. This works for your calendar events and items from linked databases. When you move something, the change also updates in the original source, so your schedule stays accurate everywhere. If you travel or collaborate across time zones, double-check that your system time zone is correct before you drag, so events land where they should. To create something new, double-click anywhere on the calendar. On mobile, tap the time slot to add an event. Give it a clear title, add participants if you're inviting others, and paste any links you'll need, like a video meeting link or a project page. You can include details to keep everything in context, so you're never hunting for information at the last minute. That's it. Download or open the app, sign in, connect your calendars, link your Notion workspace, and then manage everything from one place. Keep your titles clear, your links handy, and adjust by dragging when plans change. You're ready to make Notion Calendar your daily command center.